Hi, this is Eric Bartz, and today we're going to show you how to replace the roller bracket on your Samsung dishwasher. The roller bracket is responsible for supporting the movement of the middle rack in and out of the dishwasher. If the roller bracket is damaged or broken, the middle rack may not move in and out of the dishwasher properly. If you need to purchase a new roller bracket for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Pull the middle dish rack forward. Now, lift up on the front of the rack to clear the first set of wheels. Then, pull it forward as far as it will go and lift it up to clear the second set of wheels. Depressing the locking tab, pull the back of the rail holder towards the back of the dishwasher to remove it. Then, pull the roller bracket forward to remove it from the dishwasher. The front rail holder is held onto the roller bracket by two small metal tabs. Using a flat-headed screwdriver, bend the metal tabs up and slide the front holder out to remove it. If you need to purchase a new roller bracket, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you were getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, insert the middle front rail holder into the roller bracket and bend the metal tabs into place. Ensure that the front of the rail holder is facing the correct way for the side of the dishwasher you are installing it on. Then, align the roller bracket to the rail roller bracket assembly and slide into place. Ensure that the front of the rail holder is facing the correct way for the side of the dishwasher you are installing it on. Align the back rail holder to the rail bracket and press into place. Align the top wheel on the center rack to the rail on the dishwasher at an angle. Then, rotate the front of the center rack down, ensuring the wheels slide into place. Finally, push the dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.